If the first stage didn't help, move to second stage, stage 2. And you just need a simple brush and to clean the electrodes. So after the first stage, it should be pretty much clean here. And the idea of the stage 2, to knock out everything could stuck from in between the electrodes, like that. Just with a tap water, process the cleaning from between the electrodes. Don't touch the carbon mesh, just from the metal side of electrode, like that. Rinse that again. Inspect that if you can see anything from in between the electrodes. If nothing visible, yeah, move the electrode back into the switch.